to back up your computer files to Google Drive. So if you want to back up your computer files to Google Drive, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, your Google browser, and then on your Chrome browser, you need to just go with the top right, which has that Google Apps. And here you need to go with Google Drive. So click on Drive. And once you're on your Drive now, if you want to back up your computer files, what you need to do is just simply go with New, which is here on the left side, or go with My Drive and then go with New. And here you need to go with File Upload or a folder upload. If you want to upload a folder, you can go with folder or you can go with file. And once you've selected the file that you would like to back up or that you would like to upload, you need to click on File and go with Open, which is here on the bottom, and it will start the uploading process. And once it's uploaded, as you can see that it has been uploaded right here. Now, if you're trying to do is clean up your computer because you just have a lot of things in there and you need more space, then what you're going to do is click on the New again and then go with Folder. Upload this way, you're going to be able to select all the folders that you have on your computer and you can add them to your Google Drive account. You just need simply wait till it finishes upload. And one key thing that you need to keep in mind is that you only have 15 GB of free storage per Google account. If your computer files are way too heavy and you need more storage, what you can do is just purchase more on Google. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.